With Jiva, you can send customer satisfaction surveys to customers when tickets are closed. Enabling this option will automatically populate a number of customer satisfaction reports with granular KPIs and metrics which measure individual and team performance. First, on the Customer Survey Settings Administration page, check the Enable checkbox to begin sending surveys, and then configure how they are sent. You can send surveys for every ticket or once after a certain number of tickets have been created. And you can set a maximum number to be sent over a certain time period as well. Then, in Notifications, you can send the survey in the ticket's final customer notification or in a separate notification, and in either of those notifications, you can include the survey as a link to the survey or have the survey embedded directly in the notification. Finally, with Jiva's default survey, you can configure a set of email addresses to be notified if a certain rating is chosen by a customer. For example, a service or support manager might want to know when a customer has chosen a 1 rating, which is the poorest level. Secondly, take a moment to review Jiva's default survey by clicking the link. Note that your logo will appear at the top of the survey. If you have requirements for surveys other than what the default provides, you can create your own custom survey on the Create a Custom Customer Satisfaction Survey Administration page. Start by reviewing the instructions on how to create the form. Let's create an example. The first field will be a welcome message. Enter the field's label and then select the field type. Here we will make the field type multi-line text read only, which will only display the text and not allow input. Then enter in the text to show. Note that the survey form is displayed in rows and columns, so we'll have this field displayed in row 1, column 1. Once the field is configured, click Save to save your changes. After a field has been added, at any time you can click the Show Preview button to see how your new form looks. Continue adding as many form fields as required. In our example, we will ask if the issue was resolved to the person's satisfaction and allow them to select No or Yes. Enter the question as the field's label and select Radio button as the field type. Then enter the values for the first radio button, No, click New Entry to add another, and enter the values for the second radio button, Yes. Lastly, we'll put this field on row 2 and column 1 of the form. Click Save. Once the page refreshes, click Show Preview again to see your form. Finally, we'll add a place the person can provide feedback. Enter the label, select multi-line text input. We'll make the width 50 characters and place the field on row 3, column 1. Click Save and then click Show Preview to see your form.